Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes, kimchi no.
Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes. Is this no?
Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Alright, this is my favorite challenge. And we have Craig Bocz. And we are going to do the organic. Right, here's organic, it's official. The organic kimchi as our main ingredient. Fruity smoothie. So it's the organic kimchi fruity smoothie. Are you ready for this?
No.
I'm gonna make this for you, so that's a plus, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna both try this, and we'll decide if it's yes or no. So let's make this. I might need your help. So First we need a cup of ice. So you wanna pop that in there. We got some trusty old chopsticks. So let's get these guys ready for some nice berries. So you like what do you like?
Yeah,
you like
throw them all in there. Throw them in there.
Throw them all in there. We got some blueberries, we have strawberries. It's kind of hard to use fruit with chopsticks, but here we go. Just gotta dump it in. How's that good? Is that good?
As much as will go in there, and just get it all.
We don't have to do too much. All right, now we have mangoes and kiwis. Look at the colors.
Nice.
All right.
Very nice.
Okay, and kiwi. A couple kiwis in there.
Yeah.
All right, and the main ingredient, guys. Kimchi. Take a whiff, smell it.
It's got a smell.
I got a smell.
It's got a smell to it.
All right, so here we go. Let's just pour this juice in here.
No.
Yeah. Is that good enough? All right, so we have. This actually looks pretty good. This is like, it kind of looks like a berry.
Yeah.
What is the name of it again? The
organic fruity
kimchi smoothie.
That rhymes, yeah.
All right, so here we go. The big test. All right. Oh man, look at the chunks on that.
Yeah, get the good chunks.
All right, so
give me the one with the good chunks.
Look at that. If you can see the texture, it's almost like you know, it's very thick.
It is.
Laying it on thick. All right, let's take a smell. Please tell me what you think. Oh, wow.
That's something.
That is something. All right, so on 3. Now, we're going to gobble this down. So it's going to be like, you got to get rid of it. All right?
The
Whole
whole thing.
thing. Let's do the whole thing.
Whole thing.
Come on, buddy.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, from honest friendship. 24 years of Taekwondo training, right?
Yep.
Here we go. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, hold on. Hold on a second.
That is bad.
You don't have to do the whole thing.
Alright.
Hold on. Oh, wow.
Look at that composure.
I kind of like it. I mean, it's not, it's almost like a tomato.
Yeah.
Oh, man, I ruined my paddle here. Hold on a second. I guess my kimchi paddles are going to smell like kimchi. Alright, let's do, I'm going to do another taste.
You gonna do another one? I'll do another one. Alright.
I like the, it's like peppers. You know, it's almost like a,
you know,
sort of like a,
after you get past the first one,
yeah, it's a weird taste.
If
it's
you
really
don't
funky in the beginning.
let it hit your tongue, it's doable.
Look at that. This is officially the organic.
Race it to the bottom.
Hold on one second. What do we call this again?
The organic fruity kimchi smoothie.
Organic fruity kimchi smoothie. Hey, cheers.
Whew.
I'm like gonna have brain freeze. Oh man. Brain freeze?
Whew.
You beat me?
Yeah.
Hold on, I got one more. I'm gonna go through the pain. And I think I know what I'm voting for. Think about what you want to vote for. You can see my eyes are watering. So for you guys, I'm not crying because I'm in pain, but I guess I am in pain. But sorry about that. I should be more polite. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes, kimchi no. And let's see. What do you think?
I know what I'm picking.
I'm saying kimchi yes.
I'm going kimchi yes.
All right.
It made me a believer.
Thanks, man. Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes, kimchi no. Kimchi yes,